This morning, AI, artificial intelligence, is being used in several fields, and now SRP is using that to detect wildfires in Arizona. So they're installing AI-enabled wildfire detection cameras on their transmission towers in the Tonto and Apache Sitgraves National Forest. The solar-powered infrared cameras can detect smoke 10 miles away, and then it alerts SRP, giving crews an early heads up. Allows them to reduce the impact that fires can have on the power lines and the poles. SRP is applying for a grant from the feds that would buy 20 more cameras to install at 7 locations across the states.